Got some Fabfitfun. So if you want to see what some of the items look like before you customize, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. That's Kinsey behind me. Bandit's at my mom's with Chloe. She just got back, and Bandit has another vet appointment tomorrow. So it's just me and the two goofballs, Kinsey and Toby, and cats if they decide to make their presence known. There was one behind me, but I guess he just decided nope. So this is my Fabfitfun, and I know some of you who are seasonal members are currently in the process of customizing. So I wanted to get this video out to you. It's just a short one, just to see what some of the objects or items look like. If you don't get Fabfitfun, it's still fun to see, right? This is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box, and you do get to customize from different categories, everything in here. So there are 6 categories, and you can choose one or more from each category. You just pay a little extra. All right, so I kind of tried to theme together as best possible my customizations. I have 2 boxes, so I have 2 different subscriptions, and it just seemed to me cheaper than all the add-ons. And I still add stuff on, but this is my kind of on-the-go, my version of on-the-go based upon the different customization. And there's a little sneak peek. So I will put like what customization and what the MSRP is up for you somewhere around here. Actually, I'll move them over here a little bit so I can put it right there. All right, so I'm just going to start with what's on top instead of digging in for what I think is customization 1. So I opted for the ceramic lined Asubu travel mug. There were 2 colors that you could have gotten, this or a darker Merlot color. I liked them both. I went with this one, which I think they called cranberry or something like that. So it is lined with ceramic, but I believe there's stainless steel in between this. And then you have your little drinking spout, and this clips right in like that. All right, so just a little, to get it back out. Up right there. You have your little steam vent. Can't really fit a straw in there, so that would be the one downside for me, because I do like a straw, because I will spill with this kind of little thing. I believe it said this was 20 ounces. Let me look on the box and see if I can get some information. 22 ounces. It is vacuum insulated with 0 flavor transfer. Fits most cup holders. And it has a ceramic coated lining, so that way you don't get the taste of the stainless steel, I guess. I don't think I've ever tasted that, but I could be wrong. This will have a few add-ons too, but the add-ons were to make it, well, there were things I wanted, but also it kind of fed into that whole on-the-go box. I did opt for the Kate Spade aviator glasses. They did have a black one in, I think it was last spring maybe? And these are more of a, kind of like a rose gold tint, but I like them. And I'm not a big aviator glasses person, but they've grown on me. It was those ones from Dime, actually, because my aviators, the other ones I got that were black lined, I gave those away. I gifted them to one of my sisters. But these are for me. By Nude Stick is this, they say it's a 3-in-1, although I don't know that I would use it on my eyes, but it's definitely for your cheeks and lips. And I thought that kind of added to that on the go, kind of to have a double duty item. That really is a lovely color for either cheeks or lips. definitely, you can definitely just like put a little color on there. By Slip, we have a set of 3 silk lined hair scrunchies. So these are a pricey item. They're actually, I think, $28 for the set of 3. But these are lined not in satin, but in a silk. And you have pink, white, and black. Versus at Christmas time last year, it was 3 different pinks. So if you're not a pink girly, I don't mind pink, then you've got other colors in there too. By Marilyn Schiff, we have this ring, and it is adjustable. So you can put it on any finger you want. You can just, open that up a little bit. Oh, there's a cat. That's funny. By Ellie Vale, we have these boots, and I thought they were going to be bigger, so I'm actually glad that they're the size they are. There is the size, so if you're thinking about customizing with this and you're not sure because you think they're too big, then they aren't very big at all. I mean, they're a nice size. They're not tiny. They're not the Huggies, which tend to pinch my ear, but they are a nice size. Then you may not want to get them because they're not real big, as you can see. And this is like category 5, but my nails are in need of some loving. And I do have a whole Dermalect line, but I typically have it at my mom's house and then I'll be at home. And so anyway, I wanted something for at home. So this was a set of 2 by Nails Inc. And these are to help restore your nails. We have, so tiny. Well, they're both strengtheners. So I can't read, it's too small. This one I think is an oil. This one's an oil, and that one's a strengthener. By Ole Hendrickson, we have the Couch Preserve Lip Treatment, and this is in cocoa. So there's how that looks. Now that is a little bit more sheer than you would think when you rub it in. But that's a perfect little glow. And it's also going to provide nourishment for your lips throughout the day. These are just my refills. I once got the black toothbrush, so I always get the refills at $8 for 2 heads. And last, by Fourth and Reckless. This is a vegan leather handbag, and it is adjustable. So you can leave it like this if you just want to hold on to it, which who wants to do that? Not me. So you can make it a little bit longer so that it is something that you could carry like that. Certainly not long enough to crossbody, but long enough to at least put it on your shoulder. And then inside, you do have one pocket there. It's like a mess here. There you go. You can see there's one little pocket here, and it's super cute, and I thought this was great for the fall. All right, so that is my on-the-go box. So let me know your thoughts. What did you think? Did I kind of put stuff together to kind of theme it together in a way that says on the go for you? The nail stuff, there wasn't a lot on there, but I thought, maybe before you go out and you put a little makeup on, you put a little love on your nails too. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Tinsa says, I'm tired. It's time for my bed. I'm sorry, I've got one more to make. I know, pretty girl. And hopefully, we'll see you soon. Kinsey, you're so silly. You're so silly.